Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to create your perfect ATS-friendly CV in a few minutes without registration and for free. So let's scroll down a bit to slider with templates. Here you can see 11 free templates. Choose the one you like and start to create CV. Let's start. This is a page with form. Here you should go through all of these fields and fill form with required data and click Create Resume. And the last step with generated CV. Here you can see the final template. If you don't like the current design, you also can choose another template from slider. Also, if you want to edit some information in CV, click on Edit Resume. If you're happy with CV, let's go to print or download. Save it. Save. And check it in downloads. CV looks perfect to me. So see you in the next videos.